I'm Zala. I live in Gruste and I'm 13. I play piano. I like traveling too because I travel a lot and I've been in Austria, Germany, Italy, Rome and Croatia. I heard of Cuba. It's an island in Caribbean. That's all I know.
Hi, I'm Patricia. I'm 14 years old and I live in Jasmina. In my free time, I like listening to music, mainly English songs, and I like reading books because it's relaxing. So my favorite books are a collection of Immortal. When we have sport, I really like playing volleyball, especially in summer when we go out and play beach volleyball. There are a lot of different animals in Slovenia, but my favorite are butterflies, and I also like dogs, cats and horses.
Hi, my name is Mia and I'm 13 years old and I live in Šedina. I am really interested in art and I would like to study art. I don't play an instrument, but I wanted to play a guitar, but after this I never went to a music school. I have two hobbies. I like riding horses and I ride horses once a week. My favorite horse is Prince. And as I said, I like drawing too.
Hi, my name is Anna. I'm 14 years old and I live in Dramlje near Naši. My favorite basketball player is Stephen Curry because he's a great player and I like the way he played. My favorite basketball team is Golden State Warriors because Stephen Curry plays there and I like other players too. Now in Dramlje there isn't any basketball teams, but a lot of students from our school play basketball at the club near Dramlje in Šenkyr.
Hi, my name is Nate Rehan. I'm 14 years old. I live in Dramlje. I live very near the school. My favorite sport is acrobatics. I train twice a week. We jump on the trampoline and it's very similar to parkour, but it's not actually. Yes, I know what bullfighting is, but I don't have a chance to watch it in Slovenia. The mornings are quite cold, around 8 degrees, but through the day it gets warmer and warmer, around 20 or 25 degrees. The evenings are cool too, like from 10 to 12 degrees.